welcome back to my channel, and first of all I apologize for not uploading any videos in a while, but today is our second episode of note taking and I'm very excited. And if you are new here and you haven't watched the first episode of note taking, then you should definitely check the link down below in the description. So you should watch the video after this. So, and if you are new and you haven't joined the family, please click the subscribe button down below and be sure to turn on the notification so you don't miss any of my videos. So, now without further ado, let's get started. That's for taking notes in the lecture. The first part is before the lecture and the second part is after the lecture. So, the before the lecture part is you have to do it. Before going to the lecture, you should definitely read what your professor is going to teach you, because if you read it before going to the class, you get an idea what you are learning, because it is little difficult to get to know everything, but when you read it a day before, you understand it better. So this is the tip before going to the lecture. The second part, not write down everything what your professor says. Write down the only information which is important and not in the book. Forms and symbols while taking notes. For example, using max for maximum or using bullet points for important concepts, or using arrow for answer, and much more. This saves you time while taking notes in the lecture. Write down questions which you get in your mind during the lecture and ask or search for its answer. Taking notes while taking notes. When your professor focuses on a certain question or diagram and tells that it is important, it using sticky notes. It will help you in your exam time. Now, question of the day. Which do you prefer, notes in lecture or after the lecture? Comment down below. Thank you for sticking till the end. And if you liked this video, give this a big thumbs up and comment down any suggestions if you want to, and share this video with your friends, family, classmates, everyone. And I hope this video was helpful to you for taking notes in the lecture. And for the next video, till then, bye bye. Have a nice day.